This is the 06 Rio we were doing the engine restore on because the third cylinder is bad. We were driving it, and I don't know what's going on, but it blew something out of the intake. No, the intake's up here. This is the manifold, and I think we might have blew the seal out of the manifold.
Too much compression.
Too much compression? Did we build too much? Or did we?
It was building.
It was building. It definitely was. We were getting the but we are dumping smoke out of this crack.
And there's oil.
And it looks like there's oil. Let's get under here. Okay. It's got that little puddle there. It definitely looks, if you look back there on that beam, definitely looks like we threw a rod. So,
Fourth gear, fourth in it.
this is the engine restore project.
Kia Rio.
Kia Rio.
Don't buy them.
Don't buy the Rios.
You love those Rios.
All right, actually get in there. We're gonna try to fire this thing up. We haven't fired it up after we pulled over because we're in the middle of nowhere. Definitely threw that rod. No, time belt's locking. I definitely think it seized the motor. I think engine restore just seized my motor. So get your money back guaranteed. This is done. Threw a rod right there. Threw a rod right. Right in there. You can see it. Yeah. That's it, alright. Fucking hole. Well, that was a whole lot of work. Yep. Well, engine restore, fail. Thanks for watching. Comment, like, and subscribe. Thanks. I guess I'm calling my girlfriend to come pick us up. So we went looking for the piece that came off our motor, and we found it. It wasn't down on the road. It was actually, we heard a lot of noise actually bouncing on us. But this was the culprit we found. Definitely has a hole in the rod on cylinder 3. We don't know if the piston was bent and the sealant actually started sealing, and it caused this to happen. And the piston was bent, so it hit the sidewall and blew a rod. But I don't know. We know we started getting compression, obviously, because this wasn't happening before.
It's too much for it.
And I just threw a rod. Don't know if it worked. Wish it had a little bit more time, but this is it. End of Kia Rio video. Have fun, everybody. Oh. You guys want to see the... Here, we'll show you where it's coming out of. Oh, he's blowing smoke again. Here we go. So, if you look right there, that bolt right there, that hole, hit it. Oh, baby! That's thrown rod. And we're done.